Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tamil Rocket. In this video, we are gonna unbox the Boat Bassheads 100 earphones and let's see a quick review about it. Let's open the polyethylene cover covering the box. I know, it's like an ASMR stuff. Cool, isn't it? Anyway, let's unbox the earphones. It's a red color variant, so the box is also red in color. Let's take a close look at the box. We have the Boat branding on both the sides of the box, and we also have the features of the earphones written on the back side of the box. In order to open up the box, we need to make use of what is said to be an unboxing knife. The packaging is quite well and it's hard to open the box. Here is the red color variant of the Boat Bassheads 100. Let us keep it aside to see other box contents. Inside the box we have a sliding transparent case containing the Boat Bassheads 100 and some documentations related to the company's other products. And we also have a warranty card with some celebrity sign in it, and it's a 1-year warranty. And we also have some replaceable ear tips with different sizes in it. So now let's talk about the Boat Bassheads 100. As the name implies, the Boat earphones are known for their bass effects. The sound produced by them are very clear. And if you are not a big fan of bass, please go for other options. For 399 rupees, it is 100% worth buying and value for money. I'm using the other Boat Bassheads 100 as my primary earphones for more than 6 months. And it is fantastic. It also has a tiny microphone along with a multifunction button. The mic quality in it was quite nice. You can't expect more from a 399 rupees head earphones. And also keep in mind that you have 1-year warranty. Boat assures that it will replace the earphones which having the manufacturing defects. According to me, it is a fantastic earphones and I would recommend anyone in this price segment. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. A sub means a lot to me. And also make sure you like this video. Thank you.